Okay, so that's our beat. Thanks. Next, we need balance. So let's do that. Okay, let's create a new group for that. And of course, we'll call it balance. Okay, duplicate the B. And let's put it here. Okay, next we need A. Oh, okay, we can just duplicate it. And we need L. Okay, and we need A again. And now we need N. Okay, and C. Okay, and we need B. Okay, and lastly we need a D. So this is our D, what our D looks like. Yep. Okay, and just to make sure that our D looks like what the D looks like in the story dialog. Okay. Oh, okay, so we need a pixel here. Yep. Okay, next we need the S and the circle around it. Okay, so let's do that. Okay, by creating a new group, and let's call it S. And a new layer, let's call it S. Two, three. So this will be our S. Okay, and if I recall, we already have the circle created somewhere around here. Special circle S. Yep. So we can just use this as here. Oh, it's rather big. Okay, if that's the case, that means we need a smaller circle. Okay, so let's do that. Circle. Okay, what we're going to do now is to create a circle around the S. 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay, so hopefully we don't screw up on it. So circle. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Oh, this is rather big. That is too big. We need a smaller circle. So 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. 1, 2. Okay, this is rather big as well. Yeah, this is weird. Okay, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Oh, this is rather big as well. One, two. 1, 2, 3. Okay, we could do this, but this is too small for my taste. Yeah, this is too small. Okay, we need to give at least some breathing space for our S. So somewhere around here to so 1, 2. Okay, 1, 2. Okay, this is interesting. Okay, so sometimes when we have trouble drawing small circles, what I would do is to refer to the infamous pixel art circle graph. In dimensions, which is here. Okay. Oh no, okay, it's this. This is the better one. Okay. So let's see, we need a small circle. Okay, so let's try this. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Okay. Okay, so this could work. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Yeah, this can work. Okay, 1, 2, 3. And 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, yeah. Okay, so we'll use this. Okay, but of course we'll move it to the right so that the left is aligned. Okay, so next we have our 5 hit combo. 5 hit. Okay, first we need our 5. So our 5 would be somewhat similar to S, but of course we can't have it to be exactly the same. Oops. If I do this, okay, so this is our 5. Okay, let's do this. Okay, next we need our dash. Okay, and we need a H. Okay, next we need the word combo. So let's start with a C. Oops. Okay. Okay, we need an O, which is different from a 0. Okay, so as you can see, preparing for localization is a lot of preparation. Okay, and now we need a B. Okay, and lastly, an O. Okay. So we have our sort of information and description for our character. Okay, now what we need to do is to okay, as you can see on the right, the name is bigger. Okay, much bigger than the description and the information for the special skill. So that's what we're going to do. Okay, we're going to scale it up in Photoshop. Okay, so let's do that. Okay, and of course, before doing that, I'm going to duplicate this group. Okay, just to make a backup for it. Okay. Oh, interesting. New shortcut discovered. Okay, 200% is still too small. Let's try 400%. Yep, seems about right. One, two, three, four. Yep, seems about right. Yes. Combo. Three, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, let's move it out 1 pixel. Or not. Huh. Two, 6. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so for this we have to move it 1, 2. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 9. Okay, so I'm trying to get the spacing correct. Okay, this looks better. Yep, this looks much better. Okay, so we are going to save this whole thing as the new information. Okay, so let's do that. And because we do not know the size for this, okay, one way we can find out the size for that is to use the selection tool here and use a fixed size. Hey, welcome back, Shadowsphere. How's your weekend coming along? Hey, I just want to say thanks for always dropping by and hanging out with me. Okay. So 280 is too wide. 200. 120. Okay. Let's try 164 and 100. Yep. Oh, we could actually go with 80. No, okay, 80 is just too cozy. Oh, okay, glad to hear that. Okay, for me, I'm more, or should I say, for me, I'm fine that maybe I'm just filled with things like a lot of drawing pixels in Photoshop, because I'm sort of recreating. Maybe I shouldn't use the word recreating, but I'm trying to create a consistent experience in terms of the gameplay, but I'm starting with the text itself. So I'm trying to use a consistent font that I'm creating by hand, as you can see, throughout the game. And that also sets up the preparation for localizing to other languages. So yeah, this weekend is busy but fun. Okay, 164, 100. Okay, D. Oh, and I'm glad that you like this live stream. Okay, but if you have any suggestions or feedback, okay, do not hesitate to let me know, and we'll see what we can do to improve. Yeah. Okay, let's zoom in and see if we are in the center or not. Okay, 7, 5. Okay, move 1 pixel to the left. 4, 8, 7. Okay. So this is 100%. Okay, let's save this. Oh wait. Word underscore child info underscore bit. Okay. Okay, we'll save this as the same name as the file we are about to replace. Oh, bit. Okay, but we'll save it. Okay, we'll save it here. Okay, and we'll export it. Okay, by scaling it up to 2x. Okay, 200%. Okay, so let's bring it back to Unity. Okay, and we should have it show up when we select our starting character. Okay, here. Yep. Okay, let's go back to Unity. Okay, and let's go to our newly imported sprite or image, which is here, I think. Oh no, here, here. Okay. Okay, pixels per unit, let's change it to 72, because that's what I find is closest to pixel perfect. Okay, so just for testing, oh wait, we need to we need to make sure that the information that is displayed is not Okay, it's in 100% scaling here. Okay. Okay, let's try starting the game now and see the updated tags. So I can already predict that since we are going to sort of revamp all of the tags within the game, it's going to take at least a few days. Okay, even just for the English tags. So hopefully we can get that done by within the next few days. Okay, and before we release the next update in the next few days. Okay, so as you can see, we have already changed the font here and the version number as well. Oh, okay, I need to remove this small little circle. Huh. Okay. Okay, so this is at 2x or 200%. As you can see, the pixel in each and every part of each alphabet is sharp, but okay, I'm thinking if the text is too big. Okay, let's try. Okay, what if we use 100% instead, as in 1x? Okay, review in Finder, and let's use this here and replace it here. Okay, and we also have to remove the